Which work you dey work? You dey do 419. Which kind 419? What's the diamond? What diamond? You come out see. Wait, they come for you. Oga, will it be your name?
My name now Sas.
My people, wonder shall never end. This video what I just watched, so I go put am for una more and watch the full video. This one na the new system where they take the thief now, where they take they do their 419. Now Jackpako na teach them. So this video wey una go watch, so please help me to watch, love and like and leave your comments. Now the new system where they come they use now for town, new system in town, they will tell you say they get diamond to sell. They will tell you say they get gold to sell. They get all these things wey be say they expensive to sell. So if they cite you for road, they will tell you say they get all these things. You now know say when somebody hear something like that, say they get diamond, they get gold, you know, they will like, okay, I want make a buy. So these two people wey be say e dey for years, so when I go see put their picture, they be victim of this man and this woman wey be say he played them 419. Now the back of that we don't teach all those people how they take they do all these things. Then when they tell them say make them they get a diamond to sell, so they can follow them. Say okay, maybe we go buy diamonds. You know, say now when you see something like business, you like okay, if I buy, I feel sell see gain something. When they reach there now they call even kukuma will let them carry their things for their hand, their phone, their wig, money where they with them, everything where they with them. Now they carry everything from their hand. They carry am, they go sell am. God was so kind. All these people wey be say do this video, they catch this man and this woman for road. You understand? But the money wey be say they say sell the phone, they don't use am. When they take sell the wig, they don't use am. Me, I no understand though. I know say something hard for that Nigeria. But why e be say person wey be say still dey manage like you, now you wan go dey fraud, now you wan go dey do 419. They ask them say which work would they work? They say them be 419. Now 419 that be the work where they work. Can you imagine all these things? I know I made this video too long by people. Make I put am make una listen to them. See there alone, you go even know say then they take something. Even the woman, you go know say this one, you know my gay, he brain. Oh my God, can you imagine? Hey, if tell of this woman go they sell pure water, maybe say a day okay. You know they do that one. Now thief, you want go the thief. The day where they go catch on all those people where be say that if they catch all these thieves, you know say some of them now those bars they give them they not get messing to them because those they also they not get messing to those people when they want go thief. All right, my people, thank you for watching. God bless you. Please do not forget to follow me on Touchable Mama or Touchable Mama backup page. Follow me on my YouTube. Now me still get an Onto Mama. God bless you. Bye bye for now.
Mother, good afternoon. What is your name? I better come out. What is your name?
Happiness.
How old are you?
16.
Huh?
16.
Which have you be?
Benue.
Benue. Mother,
Peace.
talk about peace waiting.
Peace.
How old are you?
16.
What happen? What happen?
Now you buy yourself for.
They collect our things. Money.
They carry waiting.
Money and phone.
Money I'm going to pay for
And phone.
a phone.
Yes.
And what again?
Banana chips. ATM card. With ATM
Card.
card.
Which people do one? That those people, ba?
Yes.
And this girl.
Yes.
Okay. God, madam, what is your name? Many are who? Which have you be? You are from Auchi. Where they stay? Huh? Where was Sakoba Road? Huh? Where for it here? Huh? Where for that place? You don't hear my voice. Talk come out. Which work is the work? Huh? Which work is the work? You do 419. Which kind 419? What's the diamond? What diamond? You better come out see. Without they come for you. Oga, what will be your name?
My name now Sas.
People that know us waiting. Which work is the work? Which of you be? Huh? How old are you? When in me work with the work.
I be electrician about 419.
Which kind of 419?
Local 419.
I dey collect this those two ladies phone. I'm not going to collect their phone.
Na diamond.
Where the diamond now?
You know they with me now.
They dey with you. My where the diamond now sell for now? We get diamond.
No, sir.
You get diamond. I would not collect for their hand.
Na phone with Von.
Don't come out now, guy.
Phone with Von.
Phone with Von. I waiting.
With their ATM card.
ATM. Where you two phone?
To phone we don't sell am.
What my son I give?
We don't sell am for Wale.
How much I sell the phone?
We sell am for 60,000.
60,000. Madam, where your diamond you want sell for them before?
I don't have any diamond.
Don't come out.
I don't get diamond.
You don't get diamond. Okay, the phone, the mother, how much I sell the phone to phone?
The only one phone now we said. The other phone I'm not. Listen now.
Can I say, you sell your that phone? I say now. Huh? That one phone I sell how much?
60,000.
Which kind of phone? Huh? When I sell that one for 60,000. Okay. Okay, the other phone, how much you sell now?
That one na 10,000.
Come 70,000. Where the money sell the phone? Okay, talk come out.
5,000.
Huh?
Hello? 5,000.
What was the withdraw?
Hello?
They were
Attachment is there.
the cartel.
I do.
Where for they owe you? Which cartel? On the roof. Where does the ATM card?
No, I checked that since yesterday.
Inside the bag. Okay. Where the money when I said the phone now?
Okay.
Huh?
5,000.
Where the money I said the phone? That's 75,000. Wait, this woman saying I said that for 60,000. Only 12 now. Only one when you send how much?
10,000.
10,000. That's 7,000. Where the money?
We share like to 3. My mom is 5,000.
You know how much?
It's to 3.
I'm gonna be your own.
My own is 23,500.
23,500. Okay, they share 7,000 to 3 now how much?
23,500 to 3,500.
That's what I share now. Okay, where the money where you make for your hand now?
Inside the bag, get it for me.
This is the bag. Madam, where your money? Talk come out. Huh? That's on. They smoke. You chop for inside?
Yeah.
Which kind food you buy? 2.5. Which kind food you buy?
I go.
Talk come out. Which kind food you buy?
I go there. My opposite there. We know here.
Uh-huh.
What's fast food there?
How much can you make for your hand now? Don't make it. May you carry children of how do you just